it's Marty again, and I would like to show you some leg exercises using the foam roller. And why would you use the foam roller? Well, you know, after doing lunges and squats and other leg exercises and calf raises as well, your legs are going to be a little tight. So you want to remove that tension. So Total Gym came out with this new product. It's called the Total Gym Foam Roller. And it attaches to your Total Gym where you would have your platform. First of all, before you use your Total Gym Foam Roller, you need to prepare your Total Gym. And for this, I'm going to be using the Total Gym Fit. So what you want to do is, and this works for me, I'll go ahead and put the level down to number 2. And I'll take my platform off, make sure I do that. Then I'll take my Total Gym Foam Roller. And it's got these 2 poles that you'll just stick in where you would have your platform. And it's that simple. Okay, what you do once you get on your Total Gym, we're going to go ahead and work on our left leg first. So you go down to a level where you can get the upper part of your calf, point your toes out, and just go slowly up to work that tension out. And after you did it for a few times, turn your foot to 11 o'clock. So your foot's going outward. And you'll feel that the Total Gym Roller is really working that calf muscle. Then what you do is you want to go inward. So aim your toes to 1 o'clock. And you really work out that tension in your calf muscle. This is really good, especially after, of course, leg workouts. So then we'll go ahead and change legs. Go down to the lowest position you can on your Total Gym. And go ahead and glide right up. So you do about a few times with your toes up. Excuse me, with your toes pointed down center. So now we're going to turn outward. So this is going to be opposite. Turn your toes towards 1 o'clock. Do that a few times. Now go towards 11 o'clock. And you'll feel that you're working out that tension in your calf muscles. Now let's work out the tension in your hamstrings. So what you do is, with your opposite foot, bring that across that bar, and scoot as low as you can, and just glide up. Here we go. So once again, you do the same practice of turning your leg towards 11 o'clock. Do that a few times. Now you're going to go towards 1 o'clock. Okay, go ahead and switch legs and do the same thing there. So you get down as far as you can, and you'll just go ahead and glide up. What's nice about this, when you're doing the roller on the Total Gym, you're not bracing your arms like you would on a normal roller, which is really nice. So, once again, aim your toes towards 1 o'clock. Do it a few times, and then go down lower. And go towards 11 o'clock. So, we worked the calf and the hamstrings on the Total Gym Roller. Now, what you can actually do, and I like it, just do the full leg. So you're going to go all the way up, massage that leg. You're hitting your hamstring and your calf muscles. So once again, we're going to turn the toes out, and we're going to 11 o'clock. Do that a few times. Then go inward to 1 o'clock. You'll really like this one. Actually, I think this is better than doing it separately, just doing the whole leg. So we're going to go all the way up as far as you can. Point your toes towards 11 o'clock. We're going to do your toes towards 1 o'clock. You can't talk. Once again, this is really good after workout days on your legs. Another good use of this Total Gym foam roller is working on your quads. So what you do is lay over, just roll yourself back and forth. Well, I hope you enjoyed my little video on the Total Gym foam roller. So once again, if you haven't already, and if you want support, please go to Facebook and join Total Gym Addicts. It's a great group. See you there.